Hello traders, in today's video I'll be showing you how you can see the apps that are connected to your Deriv account. Okay, some of us have apps that are connected to our Deriv accounts and that you don't know of. Okay, so this is how you find out which apps are connected to your Deriv account. So in your Deriv interface in Deriv Trader, you'll just come and click on the profile icon. Now once you click on that profile icon, you'll be directed to this page, as you can see, which is opening right now. Okay, so just give it a minute. It may take like 5 seconds or 10 seconds. Once it opens, I want you to scroll, all right, and then until you find this section here, connected apps. So proceed and click on connected apps. Once you click on connected apps, you will see the apps that are connected to your Deriv account, and you will see that the permission that these apps have. As you can see right now, I'm connected to DB Traders, the Mapesa Exchange app, DMP Africa, DMPesa, and XZ Algorithms app. And you can see these are all the permissions these apps have to my account. Okay, yeah, so it is important because some of us we have apps that are connected that you don't know of. Okay, yeah, so this is how you can see the apps that are connected to your Deriv account, and this will enable you to decide whether you want them to continue or not. If you don't want them to continue, you can just click on revoke access and you'll revoke the access they have to your account. But basically, guys, that is how you see the apps that are connected to your Deriv account. If you have liked this video, please ensure leave a like and please ensure subscribe. It will be highly appreciated. Otherwise, guys, thank you very much for watching and let us meet in the next one.